How to make $100 day online. Welcome to the digital age, where making money online is easier than ever. Ready for a $100 a day journey? First, identify your skills. Are you a writer, designer, or coder? Freelancing platforms are your goldmines. Next, consider online teaching. Share your knowledge. It's lucrative and satisfying. Affiliate marketing is another great avenue. Promote products, earn commissions. Selling products online, whether new or secondhand, is profitable. Marketplaces like eBay await you. Finally, blogging or vlogging can bring ad revenue. Share your passion, earn cash. So, dive in and start making your $100 a day.